Minganye, I greet you. My team and I go around looking for good land, titled land, unlitigated land for people to purchase here in Ghana and people coming from abroad. We found this place in the northeast section of the Greater Accra region. The prices seem okay for what's left in the Greater Accra region. You guys check out this video. Let me know what you think and feel free to contact us whenever you see something you like.
The Greater Accra region. Looking at some land. So this section right here is, which end is this? Which end of the land is this? This would be the eastern end of the land, right?
This should be like the northern part of it.
This is the northern part of this land. Okay.
That's the sun, right?
All right. So at the northern part of this land, you have a natural flowing, we could say stream, but it's like a branch of a river. We don't know the name yet, but from what we hear, you fish in here. Tilapia, probably some mudfish, which would be catfish. I love it.
So far, out of the, I believe it's 90 acres, 25 have been set to sell. And out of that 25, they have cleared 5.5 acres right now for people coming to buy. A few people are already on the land. There is more land, but it's moving fast. I mean, as fast as good land in Accra can move. Again, if you do have any interest in this or any other pieces of land, let us know.
So here is the pillar, and then this land will be a buffer. You don't know yet how far from the river, right? There'll be a road, all right. So have a buffer, greenery, then a road that goes around the whole development.
It's always so exciting for us to be around when they're making the plans of these things and then to be able to see it at the
I
end.
like that.